Happy August! Just a few days ago we celebrated Christmas in July, and since then I've kind of been in the holiday spirits. So I'm dedicating this drink to all of Rudolph's friends. Today we're making the dentist. Come to think of it, that doesn't sound too good. Let's make the island of Misfits. But first, we gotta get this sleigh in the air. And since I'm fresh out of reindeer feed, I guess we'll have to settle with a victory shot. Today's victory shot is St. Augustine City Gate Pineapple Rum. Wow. If pineapple's your thing, tropical drinks or boat drinks, then this is just for you, pineapple rum. The island of misfit toys was a place to banish a plaything that didn't make sense. I mean, no child wants to play with a Charlie in the box, so the island gave them a place so they could belong. And I, Sir Ricky Bobby, have a similar policy with alcohol. Today's drink uses peanut butter whiskey. Doesn't sound like it works, but I, being a drunk, I mean a great guy, have built a safe haven for all the alcohols that have been left out. I don't care if you're a peanut butter whiskey or a crunchy wasabi rum. If you show up in my bar, I'll find a way to drink you. Half ounce of cream coconut. Half ounce of pineapple juice. Half ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. 1 ounce of a dark Jamaican rum. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Yep, that's a dark Jamaican rum. And 1.5 ounces of the Misfit whiskey, peanut butter whiskey. Well done, Citygate. Well done. Garnish with nutmeg and a nice umbrella. And that's the island of Misfits. Today's word of wisdom is filter. Always use a filter when hearing new advice, a mental filter, because there's a lot of conflicting information out there. For instance, people say, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Yet other people say the definition of insanity is trying the same thing twice, expecting different results. Is one right, the other wrong? Or are they both bullcrap? This is why you need a mental filter. Even right now, you should be asking yourself, who is this Sir Ricky Bobby guy? What does he know? And then you should be questioning his advice. Then you should be questioning my advice, telling you to question my advice. Then you should be questioning my questioning of whether you are questioning the advice I gave you. You are going to need a pretty big filter. Telling you to question my advice.
No.
Telling you to question my advice.
Just question. Telling you.
And then you should question my question.
Not inquest. That's not even a word. No, and then you should question my questioning.
Give me a moment. Then you should question my question.
Not in question. That's not a word.
Oh God. Then you should question my questioning.
That's a word.
Then you should question.
No, not in question. Just question.
Then you should question
Okay.
my question.
No, just question.
Okay. Then you should question my questioning. Then you should question.
No, then you should question my questioning. All right.
We're going to get it this time. Then you should question my questioning.
Questioning. No.
Questioning.
Questioning. Yes.
That's what I said.
No, it's not. Every time you say in questioning.
Then you should question my questioning.
No. Is this on purpose?
No, I'm not. I'm just screwing. Say what I'm supposed to say.
No. In questioning is not a word.
Then you should question my question. I'm sorry.
My questioning. Say
No in any of them.
no, nowhere.
Okay, God
No.
damn. Then you should be questioning my questioning.